Hi there. Today guys we are going to see how to use for maximum the snipping tool and how to create a shortcut to access it quickly. So let's get started. There in the search bar we just type snipping tool. There it is. You can see that here we have the snip and sketch. This will be for another video. It's a little bit more complex. It's the newest version. You will see later what I mean. So in the snipping tool here, you right click and you can either pin to start or pin to the taskbar. I'll show you pin to start, right? But this one is not really the fastest. Then you have to either click on the icon here, start, or a shortcut from your keyboard will be the same logo. You press and here you have it. So I opened it. You have the new snip. You have the mode. When you click on it, you have either freeform, rectangular, window, or full screen. Freeform, it's very simple. You can highlight the area that you want to snip, so you can make shape with it. Rectangular, basically you will select and then you just have to drag along to see the size of your rectangle that you want. The window snip, when you have 3 or 4 windows open, you just select the windows that you want to snip. So I will show you that later. And the full screen, it takes the full screen. Then you have the delay. The delay basically will allow you to access a menu. For example, if I want to take a snip, but I have to select this, then there is a drop down menu, so you have to go 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, depending on how many sub-menu you have. Alright, I'll show you that later. You have the cancel button and then you have the options. The options, well, very explanatory. You can select the color, whatever. Then that's it about. Alright? Show you how to remove this one here. Alright, so you can do snip. You can use it if you want to. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I got a faster way to do. So I unpin from start and I will pin it to the taskbar. Alright, and there it is. When this is done, there is 2 ways you can open the snipping tool. First one, you go down there on the icon and you click once with the left button. As you can see, it opened. The second one, you will have on your keyboard to look out for the window key. It's something who looks like that. So you will have to press simultaneously the window keys and the icon, the number of the icon corresponding here is the 9th one. So I press simultaneously window key and 9 and it opens like that. Very simple. And the bonus that I will show you now is to create the shortcut by going again snipping tool. You right click here, you open the file location. You have 2 ways to do this. Either you right click and you create a shortcut. Okay. So as you can see, we create on the desktop, but still the same, you have to double click. I have a faster way. Once you are here, you right click, you go to properties, and then in the shortcut key here, as you can see, I already established it. But you can, once you open this, it will be none. Actually, you can use this for most of the program. Then you just select your keys. For me, I press the 3 keys at the same time, here, and you open the shortcut. For me, I select here and I will press the 3 keys. Right, so if I press the key again, it will open, because there's a shortcut made, so it will open again. But you saw what my shortcut was. But I'll show you another one. Let's say I put like this. Right, you can select any key you want. Once you click apply, you press this key again and it will work. So for me, the shortcut was this, right, which is Control, Shift and Cap locks. With 1 finger, I press only once and I have the snipping tool at my fingertips. component title, of course. So let's create a new
snipping tool. So very simple, you can click here, and depending on whatever you have selected here I'm on the Windows snip, but you can have the rectangular one if you want. As you can see, you can even do a square. Alright, so the delay I will explain that later. Here you have the blue pen, the red pen. So I selected the blue pen, and then you can write whatever you want. So for example, you can write hello. You can remove this by using the eraser here. Simply click on the items you want to remove, right? You can also edit it with paint if you want to, and you can save as. Once it's done, let me move this a little bit for you to see better. So this is the extension, you can use to save a file, right? And then you select where you want to save it and the name, of course. Alright, I'm not going to save it, of course. So this is for the, I said I do not save it. This was for the rectangular. For the freeform, alright, it's simple. You can see the scissors, you just have to follow. There it is. To adjust this, you cannot use the eraser. Alright, if you use the eraser, it won't work. So the one way you have is to save it, edit it in Paint, alright, and erase it. Or if you have Adobe Photoshop or any other editing software, you can use that. With the text, it will be better. Just give me a minute and I'll show you that right away. I do not save that. Text, we will use words, for example. There it is. Then we will use this one. So let's say I want the snipping tool for this. I use a shortcut. Alright. There it is. So for the highlighter, alright, I will just show you. I will use the free mode again, or freeform. I have to enable it. So to enable it, you create a new one. You can see it changed the screen. That's how you know you have selected it. Right, so here the highlighter, and as simple as this. To remove this, if you have too much, just go to the eraser and you erase. Note that you cannot erase just one word. If you want to do that, you need to do the highlight one word by one word. Then you are only able to erase only one. Right. Also, if your highlighter overlap each other, you erase two, the one overlaps, of course. Now we are going with the, I need to exit this one, and that one. I need to open another. Alright, we will open this one, and I do not want to sign it. So the selected mode is Windows Snip. You can see when I go here, it will, if you click here, it will select this one. If you click this one, it will select the whole thing. The reason why, it's because the window behind the text one, it's not minimized. So I will cancel this, minimize this, like that, right? Now I create a new one, and you can see it will select only what's minimized, this Windows or that Windows. That's what the mode Windows Snip is for. So I'll show you, and there we are. So you can use the highlighter to highlight. For the highlighter, you cannot select the color. It will always be in yellow, right? And then of course you can use paint if you want, right? And you have more to write down. But as you can see, that's how we will handle it. Right? Myself, I will not say it because I'm just showing you. Alright. So I close everything. We open one last time for the full screen snip. It's basically what it says here. You will capture the whole full screen. Right? And there it is. Note that when you take the full screen, it also includes the taskbar, as you can see here. Right? So I save this. Now let me show you how to use the daily. First, you have to select the amount in seconds. I choose 4 in that case, you will see why later. Then you select your mode, right? And I'm not pressing new now because I have to explain to you how this works. Basically, when you start new, the countdown will start, right? In that case, 4 seconds. So nothing will open for 4 seconds. This allows you, I'll show you now, but I didn't press it, to select whatever menu you want. Even if nothing happens, you can leave like this. Once the 4 seconds are finished, then the snipping tool will freeze the screen and you have all the time to select whatever you want to select. So don't freak out guys, I will show you right now. Alright, I press new, then I select whatever I want, and you can see I was a little bit too slow. So nothing is not really clear, right? But you have the idea. You can do like this, then you can highlight whatever you want, like this for example, although it's already highlighted of course, but you can if you wish to. If you don't want, you know perfectly, you can use this. Then you just have to save it and do share it or use it in the PDF format or whatever. The good things about this snipping tool is you can use it for almost everything, as I did say, for video, for Word, PowerPoints, Excel, anything. Game I didn't try, I should have, but I didn't try. In the next video or in the few next video, I do hope to show you, as I did say, the other mode for the snipping tool, right? But anyway, I do thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe. You can even press the bell icon if you want to be notified when my next video is out. But if you do not like, I will appreciate if you leave a comment. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye guys.